Hey guys, welcome back to M's Aquatics for another video. Now today, we're on a vacation to Ohio right now. And I'm fishing with just a worm and a hook, no weight, no bobber, no nothing. And this small stream in Ohio. And there's it's just loaded with tons of aggressive green sunfish. See if I can't catch one. Oh, got one. Well, that is a really small baby green sunfish. Here, I'm gonna bring them up there to show you guys, because these guys are really pretty fish. Ooh, I just fell over. I was just fishing out there waiting in this little creek in Ohio. But right there, baby green sunfish. They're super aggressive, really fun to catch. Just using some worms and a hook. I'll hook this guy. And we'll see if we can't catch one from the bridge. Now, fishing like way up shallow. Oh, just paying attention. Not paying enough attention. Just have my bait. Okay. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch one from the bridge. That might be in another video. We're only gonna be in Ohio for 3 days. So like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.